Welcome to our channel. How to set up Orbi 970 Series Quad-band Wi-Fi 7 Mesh 3. Unbox your Orbi kit. Carefully unbox the Orbi 970 series router and satellites, along with the power adapters and Ethernet cable. Make sure all components are present before starting the setup. Place your Orbi router. Position the main Orbi router close to your modem, preferably in a central and open location. This ensures better Wi-Fi coverage across your entire home. Connect to modem. Take the Ethernet cable and connect one into your modem and the other into the yellow Internet port of the Orbi router. This step links your router to the Internet. Power on devices. Plug in the router and satellites using their power adapters and switch them on. Wait until the LED lights show a stable white or blue, indicating they are ready. Download Orbi app on your smartphone. Go to the App Store or Google Play Store and download the official Orbi app. This app will guide you step by step through the installation process. Start Setup Wizard. Open the Orbi app, sign in with your Netgear account, and begin the Setup Wizard. The app will automatically detect your Orbi system and walk you through the process. Sync satellites. Place the satellites in different rooms where you need strong Wi-Fi coverage. Power them on, and they will automatically connect with the main router within a few minutes. Configure Wi-Fi settings. Use the Orbi app to create your Wi-Fi network name, SSID, and set a strong, secure password. These details will be used by all your devices to connect to the Internet. Optimize placement. Check the satellite signal strength in the Orbi app and adjust their placement if needed. Positioning them correctly ensures the best speed and full home coverage. Finalize and enjoy. Once everything is connected, run a quick speed test in the app. Now enjoy ultra-fast, stable, and reliable quad-band Wi-Fi 7 performance throughout your home. Thank you for watching.